Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for government engineering colleges in Tamil Nadu. The primary and only way to secure admission is through the Tamil Nadu Engineering Admissions, or TNE, counseling process. This centralized system ensures a fair and transparent selection for all eligible students. You'll need to meet specific academic criteria, including completing 12 years of schooling, and the application process begins online on the official TNE portal. You'll need to register and create an account, then carefully fill out the detailed application form. Be sure to upload all required documents, such as your academic mark sheets, community certificates, and other supporting proofs. A non-refundable application fee, usually around 500 rupees for general candidates, must be paid to complete your submission. Once you have all your Bloxy Cola items, head over to the Roblox avatar editor. This is where the magic happens. Equip the Bloxy Cola hat, shirt, and pants onto your character. Take a moment to adjust your avatar's body type and skin tone to perfectly complement the Bloxy Cola theme. Make sure every piece is applied correctly for a seamless and stylish appearance. Staying updated on key dates is vital, so regularly check the official TNE website for application deadlines, counseling schedules, and result announcements. Prepare all your documents well in advance to avoid last-minute rushes. Consider seeking guidance from your school counselors or experienced mentors. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can successfully navigate the TNE process and secure your spot in a government engineering college.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.